everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have one block of walnut and you cannot guess what will become. So watch the video until the end and I'm gonna make some special unique rustic bowl. cannot believe how much I hate sanding. But anyway, it's going to finish sanding. Now we are getting ready for finish oil. Look just how beautiful it is, and how here is curved inside, here and there also, and inside you can see the difference how it is going. So later after the oil I will show you more. Now we are getting ready for the top oil. We have two kind of oil, which is colors, yes. Which one it is? German brand Burma Wax, hard type oil it is. One of them it is natural color, light, and second one is dark or walnut color. They are safe food oil, and it is perfect for the rustic bowl and platter. My daughter Elizabeth, she came to help me today, and now we are starting with light one at first. Then let's see how it is coming, because we don't know because it is dark. I think light one would be better. So let's start to see which one is better. From there, I think if you are taking, it is better. First, smart place see how it is. If it is not okay, we are putting dark one. It's good, yeah. So no, don't put that dark one. Go with the light.
Okay. This is full color.
Yeah, sure. It's perfect. Add more a little. Do it.
We decided a background, put dark one.
So put it.
Okay.
Background, no, backside. Wait, I'm helping you.
Wait.
Now you can put.
No.
Nice.
Not like that. Like this.
There you are putting. Here I am.
You're doing wrong. You have to do like this.
It is good also, dark one, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is good. I like it. So wait with this one, I will take extra.
No.
Just a second, play.
I will put it.
No, doesn't. Leave it.
Put it.
Give me. Elliot. Doesn't.
Okay.
It is enough.
No.
Wait 2-3 minutes, then wait dry one. We are making
You're too supposed
straight.
to do that.
So
No, you didn't.
wait a
You
little.
should do it like this.
You know better than me, yeah?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Because I was making first.
So I think it is enough. So I think it is finish. Back side we put dark color, as you can see, and front natural color.
Light.
Here it is the final. You can use it for the snack or some food inside.
Chicken, banana, banana.
And look how it is curved inside the side, and it is final.
Chicken, banana.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe
my father's channel.
for more video. See you later.